Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm gonna show you how you can clean iPhone speaker at home. Like what happens like over the time when dust or other materials get accumulated over here, that reduces the sound quality when you speak. The other party does not listen well, and same happens with the sound that you receive as well. So what I'm gonna do I'm gonna show you how you can do it at home. So it's pretty simple. I have this iPhone 8 plus that I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna use over here is a simple pin. This is available in everyone's household, and this piece of tissue paper. So the very first thing I would like you to do is to open this pin up, because this is the edge that we are gonna do, and I can insert it here and clean it, but because this is sharp object and it may damage the surface, so you got to be very careful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap this end with tissue paper, and then slowly and make sure you don't insert it more than this much, very small. Okay, so let's as you can see, I made the paper wrapped around this, and now I'm gonna use it to clean. So I just used it, and you can see a lot of dust coming out. So you can do it a few more times yourself, and you can clean this area and other. Of course, don't push it hard, otherwise it will damage. Be very gentle. So that's it guys, now I have done it, and some areas are looking better. Again, do it only when you are confident. If you have if you're not sure of this method, and if any doubt on yourself that it may damage, then don't do it, because if you push it a bit more, it may damage your speaker. So you have to be really very careful, and you don't have to push hard, otherwise it will damage your speaker. So again, I won't be responsible if you follow this method, because this is a method that I use for myself and it works. But it doesn't mean if you follow this it may work for you, because your phone could be in a different condition. So I take no responsibility if you follow this method and you damage your phone. Again, do this method only if you are sure of yourself. Thanks for watching.